800-liter garden composter bin, sold by UK Deuba. Introducing the Deuba 800-liter garden composter bin, a perfect solution for reducing household waste. Transform organic kitchen remains like fruit scraps, eggshells, and coffee grounds into valuable compost. This eco-friendly composter also handles garden waste such as grass cuttings, leaves, and even dog dirt. Turn your waste into rich fertilizer for flowers and kitchen gardens, eliminating the need to buy compost. Equipped with a hinged lid, it allows easy filling from above and convenient access through the bottom hatch. Designed to be light-resistant and weatherproof, it can be used throughout the year in any season. Ventilation openings ensure adequate airflow, speeding up bacterial action for quicker composting. The black color optimizes heat development inside the bin, enhancing the composting process. With toolless, fast, and easy assembly using a click system, setting up your composter is a breeze. Rated 3.5 stars. Order today for £62.99.